best for last. Pizza Roll Productions. I ate a pizza roll today.
You ate one of my kind!
What?
You ate one of my kind! You ate a pizza roll!
Yeah, and it tastes delicious.
That was a bit dramatic, but I'm gonna get revenge. I'm gonna roast some of my friends. Yeah, okay, let's do that. First we got Dally Boy. I don't even like milk. We got Go Hockey. You're bad at hockey. We got Skate Lock. You can't even figure out how to give yourself a channel logo. And last but not least, that fishy guy. I ate a fishy cracker last night.